right, can I confess something? Every morning I'm doing great. I'm answering emails, preparing sermons, being responsible. And then 11:59 hits and suddenly I'm starving like I've been fasting for 40 days. And every day I say, today I'm eating healthy. Honor the temple. But my brain, or fries, just fries. And honestly, the flesh is weak. And then the minute the food shows up, I turn into a whole motivational pastor. The Lord brought me through the morning. I deserve this burger. And meanwhile, I've accomplished absolutely nothing except existing. But lunch feels like a holy reset. One bite in, and I'm like, okay, with God's strength, I can finish this day. So if you're eating your I'll do better tomorrow meal, the same, let's enjoy it.